Alright, well, this is going to be a video tutorial showing you guys how to hook up your Denon S3700s with either, a Rain TTM 57SL like I am using right here, or a Serato box or anything of the sort. So, what we're going to do is we're first going to turn each of these decks into hybrid MIDI mode. So I'm going to click on the MIDI button right over here. You see on the deck screen right there, you scroll over once and you're in hybrid MIDI mode. Alright, so we're going to do it one more time over here. Press the button once. Scroll over to hybrid MIDI, press down, and you're both in hybrid MIDI mode. Alright, so the map that I'm gonna either send to you guys or try and post up in a download has the deck set at 5 and 6. And the way that I'm gonna show you how to set that up is right here. So you're gonna go over to memo right here, and you see how it says presets below. This is your deck's presets. You're going to hold down the memo button until it says preset mode right there, and you're going to scroll backwards 8 times. And now you see the MIDI channel set right there. So your left side is going to be channel 5. Alright, so I'm going to leave that and hit memo over here. Since you see it's already 5, I hit memo, backs it out. Alright, so now I'm going to go over to my right deck. I'm going to hold down the memo button. See how it is in preset mode now. Scroll back 8 times. And this one is MIDI channel set 6. I already have mine preset because I've been using my decks for a while. So now I'm just going to back out of this, and the decks are good to go. Alright, if you need help with the RCAs, RCAs in the back should be set up on 1 and 3. So 1 will be the left deck, 3 will be the right deck. Alright? So now I'm going to head over to my screenshots and show you guys how to put everything else all together. Alright guys, now that you have the first part of getting your S3700s and Serato to work hand in hand complete, we're going to move on to the next part. Your S3700 on your left side MIDI preset channel should be set as 5, and on your right side it should be set as 6. Just want to make sure. What I went ahead and did was I put the MIDI map S3700 hybrid to XML on my desktop to make it more accessible and easy to get to. You guys should do the same thing. I'll set up an email account that you guys can email me and get the file from. Just subscribe and like. Other than that, you may be able to find it online. I'm not sure. I couldn't find it, so if I didn't find it, if it's not in the link bar, then I didn't find it. So I'll try and find it for you guys. What you want to do is you want to go into Scratch Live, go to Setup, and then go to MIDI over here. You see how it shows the S3700 hybrid to MIDI map right there. You're not going to be able to do that unless you go into the Scratch Live folder itself, into MIDI, and place it inside there. You can't just load from anywhere else. Alright, so what you actually have to do is to back out, go on over to your search bar, which on Windows could be wherever, and search Scratch Live. Oops, misspelled that. And Scratch Live right here. Double click on that, and you're going to find MIDI right here. See how I already have the S3700 Hybrid 2 XML inside there? That's what you want to see. You don't want anything else in there other than autosave and the S3700 Hybrid 2 XML. So what I did when I did this, I just dragged it on in. Alright, just do the same thing. That's why I put it on the desktop. Alright. Once it's in there, back on out. You might need to refresh Serato, I'm not sure. But what you're going to want to do once you see S3700 Hybrid 2 inside there, you're going to want to click on it, hit load, and then save. Once you do that, you're set up in Serato. Everything should be working. When you go to hit the decks, you do hear a very loud, high pitch. Let me see if I can find that for you real quick. Hold on. If you hear that type of noise, it's because you're not on the correct channel for Serato. You're going to want to scroll through the different channels on your mixer and make sure you're in the correct one. You're going to want to see a perfect circle on each of them. Alright, because this is a hybrid setup. Now you can go on back to your setup. There's no files, but you see how when I'm playing the deck, it's all the way up. Alright, you want both your decks in relative mode, so throw them up there, and you're going to have, I think it's about like a 15-minute time code with its internal time code. But other than that, you guys shouldn't have any problems. I could click in the folder. I could scroll through all my folders back out with all the buttons on the S3700 itself. Go back in, play. Everything works. All right, so if you guys have any questions or anything like that, or if it's not working out for you guys, just let me know, and I'll be happy to try and walk you guys through. Just subscribe and like my page, all right? Joe Weiss 14 out.